it stopped. And she's like, that was not me. And then she sits back again, and while she sits down, it's like, I'm like,
You guys are weird.
right after she says that, it's not me. Like I said, don't throw that at me. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Oh, that was good. That was a good one.
Mommy's gonna try to pants you again.
You know, when you're in a real fight, you're not gonna have time to look around for things to hit you.
Lauren?
Watch yourself.
No.
You called him on.
No. 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 Don't.
I got my pants and I got your pants.
Why are you gonna hold each other's pants?